my name is Peggy. I am Diane's twin sister, and Masters came to redo our bathrooms in a new townhouse that we just purchased.
I contacted Masters because we didn't have a lot of time to spend getting bathrooms done. And when the salesman came out, he told me that it would take approximately a week to 10 days, maybe 2 weeks to get the product in, and then it would only take 3 days to finish the 2 bathrooms. I was thrilled. I was going to be able to move in after the bathrooms were done. The crew was wonderful. The guys were so accommodating, so polite, so very nice. Of course, it helped that no one was living in the property. So it made it easier for them and probably easier for us too. But we really enjoyed the experience, didn't we?
Yes, we did, and it all came about because I received a flyer in my mailbox from Masters. And I gave it to Diane, and
I called, and
that's the story.
Bada bing, bada boom. It was done. And look how pretty it looks.
It looks gorgeous.
This used to be a horrible tub. Horrible. Now it's gorgeous, and we love it.
Thank you very much, Masters.